What's up, Swaglets? Swagmaster 69 here. Back at it again with the fourth, I think, episode of this amazing series.
Why don't we start with human facial proportions? Could you draw an oval on the screen for me, please?
I am the Pablo Picasso. This is human.
Alright, so...
No, this is my OC. This is human.
OC, please don't steal.
We don't cut anything.
Oh, sure.
What you see is our first take every single time.
So, it looks like you're doing a profile view.
Do you hear bees dying in the background?
Excuse me, it's bees?
Bees?
Dying?
We are not going to cut any of that out. If you don't hear 27 coughs throughout this recording, please comment 0 in the comments.
Oh my god, you may have made.
What? That's racist. Oh! Herodes! I grew up in Czechoslovakia! I grow.
No.
What's happening? No, I must get back. I must return to the ether from whence I came. Help me, brethren. All I see is red. Ready, Swagmaster 69 here. Biology time. Kids, the thing your mommies and daddies are doing in their bedrooms that they don't want you to know about, it's called reproduction.
Is that a swan?
That's...
Can you make it into a swan? It's already a swan. Look at it. So the things that your moms and your dads do in the bedroom all the time is...
They make swans.
Paper mache swans.
Swans all the time. Swagmaster 69 here. Look at this beautiful swan I just drew. Isn't it beautiful? Welcome back to another episode of...
We don't know what we're doing.
I hope you all at home just enjoy the paranoia insanity that we're on.
So why don't you draw your Swagsona real quick?
My Swagsona is different from all my previous Swagsonas. He is long. Where he should be short, he is long. Where he should be long, he is short.
But aren't your arms and legs already long? Shouldn't they be short?
How I draw a stick person is like this. It's long torso. Do I need to spell this out? Long, short, fat. God.
So,
Yes! Oh! I was waiting for her to do it.
Man.
You just got pranked.
Got him. Right.
Swagmaster pranks.
Today my Swagsona is a kite.
You fucking what, mate? You what, mate? Swagmaster crying bees.
So today I am...
Today she's gonna do the same fucking color that we all did.
We're a uniform. We are a brand. I am a flamingo today. It's the head of a flamingo. The body
Of a middle-aged man.
is... No, it's
Middle-aged man.
It's a doe.
It's a John Doe.
It's a John Doe. But it actually does have...
Does it have tractor wheels for front lights?
You're incorrect, actually. I think that's what we're drawing next.
Middle-aged tractor.
That's an abomination. Back to where you come from. Good thought.
Holy crap.
We're just children.
Today we're gonna
Middle-aged tractor.
take us through your process. You know, how are you going about drawing this tractor?
So, I'm thinking middle-aged, right?
Right, so how are you gonna do that?
It's when most people have their midlife crisis. It's also when they look the most beat up. Like old people, they don't look too beat up because, you know, they're on the verge. They're about to die, so it's like, oh, they should be beat up. But middle-aged people, it's just like, man, what happened to you? You know?
Now I'm middle-aged and a tractor. I was
Welcome
just
to Two Broke Artists.
But they're yes.
This looks like a hearse, which I think is beautiful
And much better.
for middle-aged tractor.
This reminds me too much of Cars.
That's exactly what I was going off of.
Alright.
Like, I thought, what's the most beat-up-looking, disgusting tractor I've ever seen? Oh, Tow Mater. Oh yeah, Tow Mater's a tow truck.
Yeah, he's not a tractor.
You what, mate? This is your face. Look at this. This is what you will become.
People are just slowly trying to figure out what we look like, and now we know that Swagmaster
Alright.
22 is freckles.
So,
No, Swagmaster 22 has bird shit all over her face.
so Swagmaster crying bees. So I have a proposition for you.
I'm listening.
What if middle-aged tractor
but instead, middle-aged tricycle.
That's his son.
I would like to see that, please.
Am I doing that one?
Yes.
Alright, so I think it needs to be
Middle-aged.
right beside of him.
Yes.
This is a family lineage.
That's a wonderful tricycle.
I need
Half
to-
as big as a tractor. Jesus. You think middle-aged tractor like gave up on his dreams being like a racing like vehicle
Well, I was
because he was a tractor and he pumped his kid full of steroids?
Well, it's a tricycle. Not a tractor. Question: is the wife also a tractor? Because if so, how did she give birth to a tricycle?
That's why he's so sad all the time. His wife was cheating on him, and he saw the child born without sin and took it upon himself to. Oh God! Never mind. This thing was born with all the sin.
I'd like to believe that this is a little girl and she just thinks that she's so beautiful, and the father's just kind of sad because he's like, yes, honey, you can be whatever you want.
Can you give her training wheels?
Oh.
no,
she's a
tricycle.
tricycle.
What kind of tricycles do you have?
Bikes.
Do you have a pentacle?
I think we're just going to add more wheels here. But you know how I like to live. I like to live very safely, and so I also put training wheels on my training wheels.
Do you want to draw the next child?
Yes, I would.
Can the great grandfather be a school bus?
So I think that the tractor also
Take me
perhaps
for a ride, your
a big
middle-aged
green
tractor. We can go slow, we can't go faster.
'Cause
He's
it's just a
about to
tractor.
die. Jesus Christ, man, fix your damn tractor or he'll go to hell.
But how fast can that tractor really go? I really don't think a tractor can
You ever
go.
ridden a tractor?
I mean, they can't go race car speed, right? How
They
fast
go
can they
pretty
go?
fast.
Back where I live, we actually have it's just like my house in the middle of a bunch of farms.
Back in Atlanta,
That is not where I'm from. But anyway,
back in Carolina.
but which one? Is this a scooter?
yes.
I know this drawing like the back of your hand.
What does it say?
It says razor. He's a bit sad.
Is that why he's blue?
Bar B bees? Bees.
This one makes me want to write poetry.
And then perhaps Swagmaster Flamingo Crispy.
Flamingo Kush.
Just draw whatever you feel.
Okay.
This is what art's about. Art is about doing whatever makes you happy.
This is a poem composed by SwagMasters 69. It was composed when these two butternuts locked me outside and I could not get in. I call it trapped. Alas, poor Yorick, I knew thee. Prithee, tell me of thine plight. Alas, between two pieces of glass I was trapped, one locked and one locked, and yet the unlocked one led me not to the comforts of home, but the wrathful bosom of nature. The magnitude of thine plight is enormous, and I shall take your suffering as my own. Humanity is not without its faults, because we are all trapped into a piece of glass. The glass of life and the glass of death. Trapped between we are and Thy words have shaken my soul tonight. I shall never live again. And I
You are
shall
drawing a
be
bird.
rich. Oh. Wow. You know what would have been better? No, keep that. I like that mouth.
Life fix my
We don't
mouth.
make mistakes! You know what would have been better? Is if you drew this during the poem reading. No, leave the face unblurred. Makes me think. And like glass shattering against the forces of life, so too is this computer. Do you have any poetry? Poetry hour!
Yes, I do. Alright, are you ready? This is my favorite poem.
Oh, is this an actual poem?
Yes. It's called My Chickens on the Internet. My chicken's on the internet. She surfs the web all day. I've tried to stop her browsing, but so far, there's just no way. She jumps up on the mouse, and then she flaps around like mad. To click on every hyperlink and every pop-up ad. She plays all sorts of chicken games. She messages her folks. She watches chicken videos and forwards chicken jokes. She writes a blog for chickens and she uploads chicken pics. She visits chicken chat rooms where she clucks about her chicks. I wouldn't mind so much, except my keyboard's now a wreck. She hasn't learned to type yet. She can only hunt and peck.
What the hell is that poem about?
It's called My Chickens on the Internet. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, lay that egg.
The first one is called Moose. A moose is like a bull on stilts with a silly kind of head. And if one of them sat on you, you'd probably be dead. They grow to 7 feet in height, or something rather near. And if you threw a beer on them, then they would smell of beer. This one is called Turtle. Last night I saw a turtle. It looked like a grenade, so I picked it up and threw it. No explosion was made. This last one is called Unvegetarian. Oh, I'm an unvegetarian. I love to eat real meat. I'd rather eat a roasted lamb than stuff that's made of wheat. I shape my beef as carrots, like chicken look like peas. I flavor it to taste like them to hide my carnivorous needs.
Really like it like that. Like as an animal, that would be cool.
A carrot moose turtle?
I actually thought of a haiku.
Would you like to,
Write my haiku?
Yes. Please do.
It's better written.
Alright.
And then you can draw what you think the meaning is. So,
Okay.
Swag M 6 woos all the ladies. Oh yeah. Oh god. I am so alone. Is this an example of someone who would be alone? So alone.
Yes, it is. I told you, I haven't drawn that part yet.
Remember, kids, if you've ever pretended to be Buzz Lightyear with your freckles when you were a child, pretended to shoot lasers and said pew, you're gonna be forever alone.
Truly on the inside, he's very sad.
Is that an anime body though?
Oh, yeah.
Please.
Oh no. What?
Gotta give it some enormous cans of beans that it's donating to the homeless shelter.
Yes.
Bean.
Bean.
It's an order now. Bean.
Causes me to ponder.
You know, guys, I haven't done the artist joke yet. But my true thoughts on art
For today.
is art is silence. You know, that may seem extremely superficial, but art is the absence of our normal human rationale to look at something purely simplistic way to consider its not any of its actual merits towards the world. Where does a piece of art ever help somebody power their home? Never. But art is a way of us looking at something in purely its subjective value. So it's silence. It's the absence of everything else. Now let me ruin this with a stupid, tasteless joke. Haha, 69!